एक दिन का हाईएस्ट हमारा 40,000 था। आई एम अ परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटर, कंटेंट ब्लॉगर बनाने के लिए CPALEAD करके एक वेबसाइट थी, वो ढूंढी।
You can earn lots of money from CPALEAD network. In this video, I'm going to share with you how can you earn money from CPALEAD network. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection to start making money. You do not need to worry about website. I will also share with you best platform to generate leads. You should watch this full video without skipping. Before begin, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPALEAD network. Guys, this is a best and trusted network. You can earn lots of money using this network. This network have lots of gaming contents to promote. If you will promote this game, when someone will download this game through your CPA link, then you will earn money. First of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on create an account button. Now you can select your earn money option. You can click on let's start button. Now you will have to select your payment method. You can receive your amount through PayPal, Payoneer, check, wire transfer and ACH. Here you can see minimum amount. Once your earning will be reach minimum $1, then you can receive your amount. You can click here. Now you can type here your PayPal email address and then you can click on deposit it button. Now you can type your full name, email address, password. You can confirm password and at last you can click on registration button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my today's revenue. I have made $102. And here you can see this month's earnings. I have made $409. Here you can see all-time earnings. I have made $4,302.50. You can scroll down. Here you can see how you get paid. You will have to share CPA link on your social media platform. When someone clicks on your link, they have to complete an offer, like filling out the form or downloading an app to see the content. You get paid when they finish the action. You can scroll down. Here you can see there are a lot of contents. You can select any of this content to promote. You can click on Fortnite button. Here you can see there are a lot of contents related to Fortnite. You can click here to open this content. Guys, you can click here to preview this page. You can click on copy link button to copy URL. Now in next step, you can go on this platform called socialbookmarknow.info. Here you can see there are a lot of people promoting their website on this platform. You can also advertise your CPA link on this platform. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on this button. It will then take you to this page. You can click on register button. Now you can type here your username, email address, password. You can confirm password. You can type your nickname and you will have to verify this captcha. And at last you can click on register button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on submit article button. Now you can type here your website URL. You can also type your CPA link. You can go on CPALEAD platform. You can click here to copy CPA link. Now you can go on this platform, paste your CPA link. Now you can type your title. Go on CPALEAD platform and you can copy this title. Now you can go on this platform, paste here that title. You can select your category. You can select game category. Now type your tags. You can type your Fortnite. Now you can select your location. You can select United States location. Now you can type here your email address. You can scroll down. Now type your description. You can type here this kind of description. Now you can click here to accept your terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha. At last you can click on this button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see here, my post has submitted successfully. Here is showing my post and here is showing CPA link. When someone will click on this CPA link, then they will be redirect on this CPA offers landing page. When that person will download this game, then you will earn money. Guys, similarly using this method, you can promote all of these gaming contents. You can go on this platform, you can click here. Now you can click here to open this post. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of similar platforms. You can advertise your website on all of these platforms. For example, you can open any of this platform. Now you can click on this button. You can scroll down. You can click on register button. Now you can type here your username, email address, password. You can confirm password. You can type your nickname. You can verify this captcha. And at last you can click on register button. After creating account on this platform, you can click on submit article button. Now you can type here your website URL. You can enter your post title. You can select your category. You can type your tags. You can select your location United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany. You can type your email address. This is optional. You can type your description. You can type description in minimum 250 characters. You can click here to accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha, and at last you can click on submit button. It's very simple to advertise your website on this platform. As you can see, lots of people are advertising their website on this platform. You can also advertise your website on this platform. If you want to learn more about CP network, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.